Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to MEXC exchange. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Binance application. Once you have logged into your Binance account, after that you just need to simply tap on the assets tab at the bottom right corner. After that you will find here send button at the middle of your screen, so simply tap on send and you will find here three options in order to select withdraw method. So simply tap on the on chain withdrawal. From this list of currencies in the search bar you have to search for USDT and simply select the Tether US. Once you landed on this page, here you will need to enter the withdrawal address, which means MEXC USDT address. After that you need to select a network and the amount of USDT. Now in order to get the address, minimize your Binance application and open your MEXC exchange. Once you have logged into your MEXC account, after that you just need to simply tap on the wallets at the bottom right corner and you will find here blue highlighted deposit button. So simply tap on this deposit and here you just need to simply tap on the on chain deposit button. From this list of currencies in the search bar, search for USDT and select this. Here you will need to select the network. Always make sure to select same network on both sides or you will lose your funds. So I'm selecting here Binance Smart Chain. After that, here you will find your USDT wallet address along with the QR code. So simply tap copy to copy this address, and after copy you just need to simply reopen your Binance application and paste your address here and select the same network here also, which I have selected on the MEXC exchange also. After selecting network, you just need to simply enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer to MEXC exchange, and the minimum amount is $10. Once you enter the amount of USDT, after that here you will find withdraw button at the bottom right corner. So simply tap on this withdraw button. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your USDT from Binance to MEXC exchange, and that's how you can transfer USDT from Binance to MEXC. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto